Discover the secrets to creating your dream living room in just a few simple steps. Stay tuned for expert tips, stunning design ideas, and everything you need to transform your space into a stylish oasis. Let's dive in. Hello everybody, and welcome to HD Interiors channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of interior design. Whether you're moving into a new home or just looking to refresh your current space, designing a living room can be both fun and challenging. In this video, we'll guide you through each step of the process, from assessing your needs and defining your style to choosing the perfect furniture and decor. We'll explore different styles and color schemes and help you create a space that's not only beautiful but also functional and comfortable. Plus, we'll share practical tips on lighting, storage, and adding those personal touches that make a house feel like a home. By the end of this video, you'll have all the inspiration and know how you need to design the living room of your dreams. So, let's get started. First, consider how you'll use your living room. Is it for relaxing, entertaining, or a mix of both? This will guide your design choices. Think about who uses the space. If you have kids, opt for durable, easy-to-clean furniture and ample storage. Pet owners should look for stain-resistant fabrics and pet-friendly materials. For frequent entertainers, ensure there's enough seating and room to mingle. Make a list of specific needs, such as space for media, books, or work areas. Clearly defining the primary functions and users of your living room will help shape a practical and personalized design. Next, let's talk about defining your style and finding inspiration. This is where you can really let your personality shine through in your living room design. Start by looking for inspiration. Browse through interior design magazines, websites, and social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram. Save images of living rooms that catch your eye. Pay attention to common themes in your saved images. These can give you clues about your preferred style. Decide on a theme or style that resonates with you. Are you drawn to the clean lines and simplicity of modern design, or do you prefer the cozy, eclectic feel of a bohemian style? Maybe the elegance of a traditional style or the minimalism of Scandinavian design appeals to you. Identifying your preferred style will help guide your choices in furniture, colors, and decor. Once you have a style in mind, start thinking about how to incorporate it into your space. Look at color schemes, patterns, and materials that align with your chosen style. For example, a modern style might feature neutral colors, sleek furniture, and minimal accessories, while a bohemian style might include vibrant colors, mixed patterns, and lots of textures. Remember, your living room should reflect your taste and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to mix and match elements from different styles to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Now, let's plan the layout of your living room. Start by measuring your space to understand the dimensions you're working with. Knowing the size of your room helps you choose appropriately scaled furniture. Create a floor plan by sketching different layout options or using online tools. Identify the focal point of your room, whether it's a fireplace, a large window, or a TV. Arrange your seating and major furniture pieces around this focal point. Ensure there's a natural flow for movement. Leave enough space between furniture pieces for easy navigation. Think about how people will move through the room and try to create a layout that is both functional and inviting. Consider different seating arrangements. For example, if you frequently entertain, a conversational layout with sofas and chairs facing each other might work best. For family movie nights, you might prefer seating that faces the TV. Finally, don't forget about traffic flow. Ensure pathways are clear and there's no overcrowding. A well-thought-out layout can make your living room feel more spacious and comfortable. Choosing a color scheme is a crucial step in designing your living room. Start with a neutral base for your walls and larger furniture pieces. Neutral colors like whites, grays, and beiges create a versatile backdrop that can be easily updated with accessories. Next, add accent colors to bring your room to life. You can incorporate these through pillows, rugs, artwork, and other decor items. Choose colors that complement each other and fit your desired style. For a cohesive look, use a color wheel to select complementary or analogous colors. Consider the mood you want to create. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows can make a space feel cozy and inviting, while cool colors like blues and greens can create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Remember to balance your colors. Too much of one color can be overwhelming, so mix and match different hues and shades to create depth and interest. Now it's time to select the furniture for your living room. Start with the essential pieces: a sofa, coffee table, and media center. Choose a sofa that fits your space and meets your comfort needs. Ensure it's proportional to the room to avoid overcrowding. Next, select a coffee table that complements the sofa and provides enough surface area for your needs. It should be functional yet stylish, fitting within your chosen style. Consider additional seating options like armchairs or ottomans, especially if you entertain often. Make sure these pieces fit well within your layout and provide flexibility. Look for multifunctional furniture that offers storage solutions, such as ottomans with hidden compartments or coffee tables with shelves. This helps keep your living room tidy and organized. Finally, don't forget comfort and durability. Opt for furniture made from high-quality materials that will withstand daily use, especially if you have kids or pets. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the right ambience in your living room. Start by maximizing natural light with appropriate window treatments. Choose curtains or blinds that allow light in while providing privacy when needed. Next, consider layered lighting. Combine ambient lighting, such as overhead fixtures, with task lighting for specific activities like reading or working. Use floor lamps, table lamps, and sconces to add warmth and depth to your room. Adjustable lighting options, such as dimmer switches or lamps with varying brightness levels, give you control over the mood and atmosphere of your living room. With your lighting plan in place, it's time to focus on adding storage solutions to keep your space organized. Now, let's focus on adding storage solutions to your living room. Start by assessing your storage needs based on how you use the space. Consider built-in shelves or cabinets for a streamlined look and efficient storage. Multifunctional furniture is also a great option for maximizing storage. Look for coffee tables with storage compartments, ottomans with hidden space, or TV stands with shelves and drawers. Utilize vertical space with tall bookshelves or wall-mounted cabinets to free up floor space and keep clutter at bay. Incorporating baskets, bins, and decorative boxes can also help organize smaller items while adding visual interest to your room. With smart storage solutions in place, your living room will feel more spacious and organized, allowing you to focus on adding decorative elements and accessories. Now, let's talk about decor and accessories for your living room. Start by choosing a rug that anchors the space and complements your color scheme. Rugs add warmth and texture to your room while defining separate areas within an open floor plan. Next, consider artwork and wall decor. Hang artwork or photographs that reflect your style and personality. Gallery walls, statement pieces, or a large mirror can create visual interest and serve as focal points. Add throw pillows, blankets, and curtains to add texture and coziness to your seating areas. These soft furnishings also allow you to introduce additional colors and patterns to tie your design together. Incorporate plants and greenery to bring life and freshness to your living room. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive indoors and complement your decor style. With these decor elements in place, your living room will feel complete and reflect your personal taste and style. Now, let's focus on adding personal touches to your living room. Display items that tell your story and reflect your interests and hobbies. This could include books, collectibles, artwork created by family members, or souvenirs from travels. Consider incorporating custom or handmade pieces for a unique and personalized touch. This could be a custom-made coffee table, handmade ceramics, or a one-of-a-kind art piece. Personalize your space further by arranging your items thoughtfully. Create vignettes or small groupings of items that are visually appealing and meaningful to you. With these personal touches, your living room will feel like a true reflection of you and your lifestyle. Now, let's make some final adjustments to perfect your living room design. Step back and assess the space to ensure everything is balanced and harmonious. Remove any unnecessary clutter or items that don't contribute to the overall aesthetic. Consider the functionality of your layout and make any necessary tweaks to improve flow and usability. For example, rearrange furniture for better conversation areas or adjust lighting for optimal ambience. Live with your newly designed living room for a few days to see how it feels and functions in daily life. Make any additional adjustments or additions based on your experience and needs. By fine-tuning these final details, you'll create a living room that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, tailored to your preferences and lifestyle. In conclusion, designing a living room is a creative and rewarding process. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a space that is both functional and stylish, reflecting your personality and meeting your household's needs. Remember to assess your needs, define your style, plan the layout, choose a color scheme, select furniture, consider lighting, add storage, incorporate decor and accessories, add personal touches, and make final adjustments. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for designing your own living room. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interior design tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in creating the living room of your dreams.